Hello everyone, my name is Adam Koenig. I'm a senior studying computer science at the University of Michigan, and today I'll be showing you how to make a 2D platformer in Unity. We'll be handling just the controls of our player here. As we can see in our scene, we already have a player with a circle collider and a rigid body 2D. We also have 3 platforms that already have a box collider 2D attached to them. So when we hit play, you'll see our player falls onto the platform, however, he cannot move. So we'll be adding to him a player controller component. So we'll be typing in player controller. We'll add a new script and we'll create an ad. We'll double tap the script to open it up in MonoDevelop. And so first we're going to declare a few variables. First off, we're going to declare a public float and we're going to call it speed. We'll declare a second public float and call it jump height. We'll also declare a private variable that's a rigid body 2D that we'll call RB2D. We'll also make one more private bool that we're going to call grounded to see if the player is grounded or if he's in the air. So to start, we'll get our rigid body component RB2D by using the getComponent function built into Unity. And we'll look for a rigid body 2D, and that will find the component that's attached to our player. Now in update, which runs every frame, we'll declare a float horizontal and we'll take input.getAxis horizontal, which will take the right and left arrow keys as 1 and -1 respectively as inputs. And we'll use rigid body 2D and set its velocity to a new vector 2 that's going to be the horizontal input multiplied by speed. We'll leave the y velocity the same as it was before, so rigidbody.velocity.y. Now we're going to check to see if it's grounded. So if the rigid body velocity y component is equal to 0, i.e. it's on the ground, we're going to set grounded to true. However, if it's not, we're going to set grounded to false. We have one last line to add, and that's if the input.getKey space, which is going to be our jump button, if that's pressed and the player is grounded, he's going to jump. So we'll set our rigid body velocity to a new vector, and we're going to leave the x velocity alone by setting it to rigidbody2d.velocity.x, but we'll set the y velocity to our jump height. We'll press play to see if it all compiles. We'll go back into Unity. We'll go down to see our new variables displayed next to our script. We'll set the speed to 3 and the jump height to 6 and press play to see if it all runs. When we press play, we find that we can use the arrow keys to move and the space bar to jump. And that's all you need to know to create a 2D platformer in Unity. Thanks for watching.